Hey, so I wanted to show you guys how to post the FlipGrid videos, okay? So once you've clicked a link, click login with your Google account. And then you can see our class. We have a bunch of different posts. So I want you to click, can I get this to go away? I want you to click the big green plus sign for your own response, and then when other people have theirs, you can reply. So I'll do mine right now. Okay, so you click the plus and then you click the record. What do you think about what's good? Okay. Hey everybody, happy Monday. So my what's good for this week is I've been able to spend more time than usual working on my art, practicing piano, and I think I'm gonna make some box brownie mix this week. So I'm pretty excited about that. All right, what's good with you? Okay, so you stop the recording, click next. Hey everybody. You can watch it back. So my what's good for this week is you can add more if you'd like down here. Spend more time than usual working on my art, practicing piano, and I think I'm gonna make some box brownie mix this week. So I'm pretty excited. And then click next. Then you take a selfie. Cheese. And then you can add different emojis. There's some fun ones in like the magic section, or maybe I'll add in this dragon. Cool. Woo, really big. Okay, make it smaller. And then, great. And then click next. Okay, and then I'm gonna change my name. You should probably leave your name as what it is. Okay, and I click submit and it's thinking about it. Okay, now it's submitted. And then I'll click complete. Now, right now, because it's moderated, you won't see it right away until I approve it. And now on your end, you can see this. So if somebody else clicks mine, they'll watch my post. If they click the green plus, they can make their own response. But if you wanted to say something about me playing piano, you can reply to me directly. Hopefully that makes sense. I would like everyone to make their own responses, and then you can reply to different people if you'd like. Okay?